Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back again. People always say government fear Bitcoin, but the real reason is much simpler and much more uncomfortable. It's not about crime, it's not about volatility, it's about control. Now, it's the time to Bitcoin analyze them, okay? Every government in the world runs on one thing: the ability to control money. If they can control money, they can control inflation, interest rates, spending curve, saving, and ultimately control the people. Money is the most powerful tools any government has. And then Bitcoin showed up, a form of money the government cannot print, cannot freeze, cannot censor, cannot inflate, and cannot manipulate. Bitcoin breaks the link between government and money. And that's where they fear Bitcoin. Not because it's dangerous, but because Bitcoin is independent. Think about it. If you cannot control, if you can control money, you can control everything built on top of it. But Bitcoin flip the entire structure. With Bitcoin, you control your own money. You control or decide how to store it. You decide how to move it. You decide who can touch it. No permission, no approval, no gatekeeper. Bitcoin removed the middleman, and the government have never seen anything like that before. So yes, government fear Bitcoin, not because it's illegal, not because it's risky, not because it's new. They fear it because it's the first money that doesn't need a government. And once you understand that, you will finally see Bitcoin for what it really is. It's not a threat to the people, but a threat to the government control. Again, government don't steal or don't fear Bitcoin because it's risky to them. They fear it because it removes the control of over money. So in this episode, I explain the real reason Bitcoin challenges the traditional power structure and why this matters for everyone living under a system built on inflation, on debts, and financial control. Thanks for watching. See you next episode. Bye-bye.